Welcome to my new series, where I try to learn how to cook real Korean food from home in hopes I can satisfy a guest with my recipe. This is Art's Cookbook. Recipe number 5, kimbap. The person that I will be cooking for is a really huge fan of Spam, so that's why I got the Spam kimbap. While you watch me eat this kimbap, I need to explain something. So far, I have been only cooking for the people who are very close to me in my life, and because of that, I always had a small worry in the back of my mind that they might not be 100% honest with me. That's why this time, I will have my guests try my kimbap in a restaurant bought version, without telling the person which one is which.
See that. Wow.
This will be my enemy. This is enemy number 1 that I'm gonna have to defeat, or try to defeat. I'm gonna tell you a short story. When I first came to Korea, and I saw kimbap, I thought it was American style sushi. But once I tried it, I was so disappointed. For my foreign watchers, this is not sushi rolls. This is its own thing. This is why I probably like the chamchi mayo so much, because it has somewhat of a resemblance of an American sushi roll, but it's still not. It's still its own thing. By the way, my new name is Artjuma, so you must address me, not Art, but Artjuma. Okay? Now that I have chosen my enemy, I need to take it apart and see what it is made of. After dissecting the kimbap, I made an interesting discovery. Everything is actually quite plain. I think it's because if a restaurant makes 1,000 kimbap a day, they have to be efficient. They don't have the time to necessarily cook every single ingredient like they want to. Maybe that's why, for example, the carrots are just raw, like they weren't cooked at all. And this is what I'm gonna take advantage of, because I'm not cooking for 1,000, I'm only cooking for 1. Too strong of a spinach taste. It's good and it's not good at the same time, if that makes sense. But a very good first try. I just have to remember to keep it tight whenever I'm pressing it together. You know when you have one of those days where nothing seems to go right and you just can't shake that negative feeling within? Well, this happened to be one of those days. So I stopped cooking and decided to go to a coffee shop to get some other work done. And then this happened. Please wait. At first I just wanted to snap. Cry. What is it? You're lucky year? But for some reason I couldn't help but just laugh. So
It's not funny, baby.
actually, part of me was so happy that my MacBook broke so I can finally get a day off. And I did. I took 2 days off. It was nice. It was very nice. That sounds so stupid. I'm gonna go a little bit off script here and just say something. I hope you know whatever you're going through, it's gonna be okay. And it's okay not to be okay also. You can do it. Whatever you're pursuing in life, even though if everyone around you is negative and doesn't believe in you, fuck them. I believe in you. This random face on the screen. I'm only saying that because I know that sometimes I want to hear the same thing too. Okay, back to the content. I wanted to see if I could give my Spam a little bit more flavor, so I decided to cook it in 2 different sauces. Both pretty much the same, 1 part soy sauce, 1 part sugar. The only difference is, one uses rice vinegar, and the other one uses mirin. And then all you have to do is just mix until the sugar dissolves. This idea came from a random video that was suggested to me online of a Hawaiian Spam musubi, which is a Spam rice and nori snack, which was inspired by Japanese onigiri. Okay, so the first one's gonna be just regular Spam with nothing. Wow. Fuck, it's so delicious. I didn't do anything to it. I just grilled it up very lightly. Okay, the next one is going to be the one with rice vinegar mix. Whoa. Oh, so what I'm getting from this is that Spam has a lot of sodium in it. The sweetness from the sauce helps and balances the sodium is within the Spam, which creating this really beautiful balance. Even though it's just Spam, right? It's not like fancy French food or some shit, but this is pretty good. Wow. Shit, I can't tell which one I like more. I thought the one with medium was gonna win, but surprisingly, it was the vinegar. So guys, since kimbap takes way too long to make, and I know you guys are all really busy soul people, try this out. It's quick, delicious, and easy. And you don't need to know how to cook. And now it's time for me to put it in the kimbap and see what it tastes like. By the way, I now know why your mom doesn't make kimbap that often. It's so much work. I didn't expect it to be this much work. Like, it's a lot. Because I always wondered, every time we come home, it's like, why didn't your mom make me some kimbap? But now I get it. Okay, Oma, I get it. Just at least 2 times a year, I'll be happy. Can we make deal? Corey, deal? Wait, check them out. The restaurant we bought it from originally, the Green Ajumas.
5,
What about mine?
7.
Yeah, dude. I beat the Ajumas. You didn't beat the Ajuma, you just ate food. I beat them. Yeah, you ate the kimbap. Now it is time to cook for my guests. I only made a few small adjustments to the ingredients. The spinach I sauteed in sesame seed oil with minced garlic. The fish cakes I lightly cooked with a tiny amount of soy sauce at the end. Everything except the Spam I put on a paper towel to get rid of some of the oil. Then, over a low fire, I very lightly grilled the seaweed. Trust me, there is a difference in flavor. And then threw in some cheddar cheese and rolled it all up. I did let all the ingredients cool down, so my guests couldn't tell that it was mine just from the heat difference. Just in case. You're going to
Ooh!
Spam kimbap.
Spam kimbap.
Yeah, spam kimbap.
You made it?
I did make it.
See that. Wow. This one is better.
Okay.
But I don't know about taste. So
Okay.
I'm gonna try this.
Me too.
This one first.
짠, 준비했습니다.
짠. Okay.
그리고 kimbap.
맛있어. I got it.
What's the answer? Okay.
This one from Ajumma.
This one's from Ajuma.
This one from Arjumma. This one is kind of strong. I can feel in the restaurant like a lot of MSG, you know? I can feel that MSG.
Oh. I made this one.
아줌마 사랑해. This one is crazy delicious. This one is crazy delicious, crazy. For sure, I think, but homemade cannot make this kind of taste. And you didn't put any MSG or chemical blah blah. No.
Arjuma kimbap. That'll be my new shop.
진짜
Arjuma
뻥이
kimbap.
아니고 진짜예요. 내가 당황한 게 이거를 먹고 이건 너무 맛있어서 이거는 파는 거다. 그리고 난 MSG 엄청 치는 줄 알았어. 맛있어서. 와.
Thanks, man.
와. 진짜 맛있네?
Did you ever expect the Wagyu to cook you kimbap? Or
No.
Korean food?
Yeah.
For me, that's the fun point. That's because,
Yeah.
like, because I had some non-Korean people ask, and I said, sorry, you have to be Korean. You can maybe sit on the side or something. But
아줌마 sorry. Yeah, I'm done. Art win. 아줌마 win.
since John King loves Spam, I wanted to make him a Hawaiian muesli just to see what he thinks. I learned something about watching a lot of cooking video tutorials. Bullshit a little bit. I'll be very honest with you. Because here's the thing, a lot of people don't know how to cook.
Right.
So they see it, they're like, wow, it looks good. But you can't taste the screen, right?
Right.
So, but after trying it, I'm like, yeah, it's not that good.
아.
On camera, they go, so good. I'm like, fuck you. Just wasted like $10 of my dollars making your recipe, you know?
Can I try?
Yeah, it's for you. It's like a quick snack.
Quick snack.
Yeah, quick snack. 맛있어? As always, I will leave my recipe down in the description. Art's note. Just because I'm doing what I love, it doesn't mean that every day will be filled with sunshine and rainbows. Pushing myself is great and all, but sometimes I should just stop and look around. The action of no action has a lot of power, but only for a day or two.